So have you ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? It is from that tomato cooking timer you have, or you used to have in your kitchen, and it really helps you to be focused and to get things done. Now, I am all in favor of focus and getting things done. What I do not like so much is that someone or something else is telling me how long I need to do things. And I know there's a whole lot of research behind it, so I will not tell you not to do the Pomodoro technique, because I know for a lot of people it works. But if you're a bit like me and you do not like to be told, then I have an alternative. And the alternative is to work more from flow. Now I know this is really not tangible, so you might be like, oh, I don't know what that is. But you do know what it is, because sometimes you're writing something, an article, or you're reading something, and you are so into what you're doing that you forget all about time. This really is like the feeling of working from flow. You forget everything around you and you're just focused and you're getting it done. And that's the best, because then you get a whole lot of things done. Now, but there comes a moment that it is an indication for you to stop working. And that moment comes and you need to listen to it. And that is my personal Pomodoro technique. So I get really into it and it just starts to flow. I get creative, I get going. I love it because I get so much work done. And then all of a sudden, I don't know, my computer offers that I need to do a new update. My document didn't save. I keep missing a key on my keyboard. These are all little indications that my attention span has come to its end, that my focus needs refocusing to get productive again. And it's best not to ignore these natural signals, because that means that you're out of flow and that you need a break. And having a break is critical for you to get more productive. So if you like something that works from a more natural perspective than someone or something else telling you to stop, listen to the signals and notice them. So when all of a sudden it doesn't go from flow anymore, stop, take a break and come back later. Let me know how this feels for you and whether it's something you already work with or want to work with. I would love to hear from you. Bye for now.